First, we are launching a new and dedicated pathway for permanent residence that's specifically available to employees and workers in the STEM sectors. A new application that comes in today, we expect we can process that work permit in just 2 weeks so companies can have access to the talent that they need when they need it. Third, the startup visa program. We've recently increased the number of spaces from 1,000 a year to 3,500. But going forward, we're going to prioritize applications within that system by focusing on features like whether a company's got capital committed or whether it's received an endorsement for a trusted partner. But for those who are in the queue, we've got good news. We're also going to issue open work permits for 3 years for them and their families to be in Canada while they wait for their applications to be completed. Over the course of this year, Canada is going to be developing a specific stream for some of the world's most highly talented people that will be able to come to Canada to work for tech companies, whether they have a job offer or not. Fifth, we are going to be launching a digital nomad strategy, which is going to allow people who have a foreign employer to come work in Canada for up to 6 months, live in communities in this country, and spend money in communities in this country, and should they receive a job offer while they're here, we're going to allow them to continue to stay and work in Canada. Sixth, and finally, going forward, as of July 16th, we will have a stream that will allow 10,000 H-1B visa holders in the United States to come and work in Canada.